Okay guys, you had a chance to work on this problem as a warm-up for today. So what is absolutely the first thing that you see when you see the inverse of cosine? Yeah.
The range is 0 to
Absolutely. The range of the inverse cosine of whatever ratio it is, answer has to be between 0 to pi. So only answer that's acceptable is here and here, first and first quadrant. But we see that this is a ratio, right? So when you look at that particular question, that is 3 negative pi over 4. So you go 1, 2, 3. So this thing is actually in a fourth quadrant, isn't it? So when you see that ratio here, the coordinate is root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2, they're both negative, obviously. So this represents negative root 2 over 2. But we know that the negative of inverse arc's cosine belongs in the second quadrant, right? So when you see the second quadrant, you actually mirror that image over there, and that turns out to be this angle. Remember, this is a theta, is an angle. The angle that makes it happen is 135 degrees, or 1, 2, 3. So 3 pi over 4. So that's the answer, guys. 3 pi over 4. So the first thing you should be thinking about whenever you see the inverse cosine or inverse sine is its range. So as a reminder, the inverse sine of whatever it is goes between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, and then inverse tangent goes from negative pi over 2, that's less than, we have to exclude because that is actually an asymptote. Okay?